That's for the viewers to decide.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
I told you.
I need to like learn how to vlog.
Start yakking at them.
Yeah.
Start. That's good. He'll teach you the right things.
Yeah, I hope he's trained. Because I don't want to like learn from someone.
No. Like if he trains you, you'll be set up. Mo's very good. I like Mo.
Good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Well, as of right now, I'm just gonna wear my makeup. White. Yeah, to be sorry.
White?
It's white. What they got?
Strike.
Spare.
Bro, that was some straight raw, bro.
Did you see the videos that Luke sent you?
Yeah,
Of
man.
us? I watched them today. I was watching. We were all watching. You hit 6. Totally wrong.
Little study guide.
Yeah, him too.
Okay.
Why are you laughing?
He zoomed in on that. You're just hitting 1.
It's better than hitting up with
Just face.
Gunning is gonna be better.
How does she look cute doing it?
First strike.
Where did you start? He's so hiding the stuff in his pocket.
What is this? That's literally the whole point. You have to hit the middle.
I know. Don't if you like curl it, you gotta hit it a certain way. But like if you throw it super fast, it will not go over.
I'm hearing it. Ooh.
I said I drank more than him, and that was fun. Like literally,
Wait, that money.
we don't need money, bro.
You don't need money?
Let's shot now.
Buzzball?
No, bro, that's just gonna make you throw off the dye and shit. I
hit record.
Yeah, bro. So that's
Oh, thank you.
me and Luke. If that comes with
You
Luke,
know what I want to do? Paintball.
I'll do paintball.
Have you ever done paintball?
Yeah.
Where did you go?
Down somewhere in Albany.
Pop out. Hurricane?
Probably.
I
You got it.
I don't have no chance, not gonna lie.
really want to go. Have you been there?
How far away is that?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Really? We should do this.
If you do the all-day pass, I think it's like $30. If you do late tag, it's really
Per person though, so that's still $60.
Nah.
That would be be fun.
We're doing $60 right now for only 2 games.
That's-
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
The only thing is, it's better if we have a group of friends. Because like sometimes if we just get us, we bunch of
I can get like Matthew to come.
Yeah.
Maybe like Patrick, my brother.
Yeah.
I feel like your friends are like,
I'll get my brother.
It's your turn.
Yeah, I'll get my brother to
I feel
come.
like your friends are better than my friends.
But I mean,
Brian will run out of
Look at her
friends.
jeans. Those are nice.
like doing my buddy Matt. That'd be fun.
I think that's like the. It's not. I was never that shape.
Like,
Zoom in, zoom in.
zoom in for nothing. My period.
Perfect opportunity because like literally we didn't have anything going on. We could. Yeah. So like, all right, we get that. Every time.
It wasn't on.
Every time. Every damn time. Every damn time.
Predict. So like usually when I have a first crack, my go-to saying after that is, go to watch television.
Like usually I get good around this time.
Pretty small. So he was gonna
Damn.
walk home.
I'm not like
He was gonna walk home, and I was like, no, don't walk. But we stopped in the parking lot to talk, and he had a voice crack, and he was like, so do you want to watch television? And I was like,
I don't know about that.
Yeah, there's been a couple times I had to walk home in an empty car. Which is just
Muffed it.
Awesome, Rick. Bro, look, yeah.
yeah,
I said,
careful.
yeah.
Remember how you
Like, I don't think. Yeah. Luke doesn't know.
like the whole
You know.
about Brian being gay? I had to get everything off my chest.
Yeah, but like, Luke's not gonna say
But
anything.
Luke's not gonna say.
He look, he like. Very nice, very nice.
Like you know how like if
Bro. He's telling me all like dad stuff. Certain things like.
it's crazy.
Yeah, bro.
Crazy just like
Like, that's why I have like some empathy. Because like, bro, not having a good dad is hard. Like,
I pay for the Apple.
I do
Like 1
too.
terabyte.
Yeah.
oh, that's a strike. That's a strike. Yes, sir.
Get another one.
Another one. Me,
It's a strike. If I claim your goods. We were at Luke's house yesterday. We were hiding behind the curtains.
He said that he showed me the video of
We were
that
like,
too.
goods. We are here to claim your goods.
What?
it's more like you're jerking off the mom instead
I
of
was about to say she.
in the
I'm
boy.
telling you, bro.
Yeah.
One thing I'm terrified of.
Well, 6 like that.
Anything above my height.
Yeah, yeah. It's very rare.
Yeah, very, very rare.
I very rarely like.
Like in NFL money, bro. Like, what am I gonna do?
Like, oh, okay.
Like, what's my comeback?
You like me?
I'm gonna beat you up. What? You gonna throw me? You borrow a real woman.
What is this, bro? Alright, bro.
Bro,
We go eat the finest goat in town.
we eat gold calamari.
We eat goods. What's those fish eggs called? Caviar? We eat goat caviar.
Goat egg.
That is so good.
Right.
We eat goat caviar.
Stop, it's
Goat egg.
really.
Stop right now. And
Last turn.
oh.
Furious!
Ow.
Final score. Final score. Now it's the final score.
Hey, Jeff, I only won by 9 points.
How am I more this time?
Maybe it'll be fun. You worried?
Everybody's gay. But she hates when I do that. It's just because she doesn't like the chuds. Like she's sorry.
It's a habit.
I know it
It
is.
is such a habit.
I do it in like
key is keep it straight. It doesn't matter how hard you throw it, just keep it straight. When you roll, just
You're
make
only
sure-
saying that because like you're stronger than me.
No,
But
I'm
it
serious.
makes it
Because
makes
you
it
see how
different.
Jeff, see how slow that was? And that could have been a strike, but it wasn't.
You won't.
Mom texted me.
Charge you $12 or better. Yeah, they charge my card.
I wonder if it's what?
We're $112 or better. Why is she saying thank you to you?
Because
You got the strike.
you want to have Mayweather get
I still
It was literally like 5 points to me.
I've seen him spin the ball like 5 times to get a strike.
I did the same thing.
Like, come on, bro. Ooh. Cooked it.
Oh
Cooked
yeah,
it.
bro, you better hit those so you don't. Literally copying me, bro. Stop it.
think your shirt's a little
Like the boxy ones.
I know she already got it.
the points haven't loaded yet. The points haven't loaded
Why
yet.
did it give you 4? It gave you 8 points more, bro.
Because your ass. It, once the next round will start, it'll adjust.
It does do it.
Really?
Just kick it.
All of that.
Bro, harder. I swear that's what
Still gonna throw it harder.
It's true.
Bro, stop it.
Win it. Get out of the way. Did you?
They don't have a pickleball play.
Well, yeah, I'll get one.
It's $18. I
If
got it
y'all
at
want to play,
Home
I'll buy one.
They got nice ones at Target for
I'll just
20
buy one.
bucks.
I just bought 4 tennis rackets.
I went to Home Goods, I saw them, and I said, all right, you come home, I'm gonna try it.
All right.
All right, I'll take you home.
No, I'll buy. I'll buy. I'll buy a set.
It's so much better from this angle.
I'll buy a set. Hey, busy life, bro.
Jeff, there's a lot of people got too.
What?
I said I do.
Low-key, if it's one move, bro, that's it for him.
I had to buy the sandwich to get the chips.
No, I didn't.
Oh. Oh my God.
My fault. My fault. My fault. My fault. You get needed? You bored right now? Huh? My fault.
Gotta like slam it. That's
You see that ceiling tile? It's pretty nice, isn't it?
You saw nothing.
I'm gonna witness how. Whoa.
Here you go.
Period.
He's a young hoe.
Kanye is gonna be in Tampa.
Not seeing that shit. You like Kanye?
Yeah. It's controversial. I like that.
Old song.
Yeah, I like he likes the whole song.
Does he?
Yeah.
How much?
Like he's good again. That. I don't know, probably too much. Probably already sold out.
she's standing on toys yesterday. They might have been on it.
The cheapest ticket is $150 for the nosebleeds.
Wow. Period.
So, bro, I know how to get shit done, alright?
Barely clean.
Bro, literally, like, would it be better if my office was crystal, like,
Oh, she's-
perfectly clean, or like I wasn't cool with it?
Yeah.
They were saying she didn't like being by herself. If we would have known better, she could have had Haley come over.
It sounds like,
Sounds like not my problem.
yeah. What are you guys moving?
June 19th.
Alright.
Yeah, I know.
Everybody always looks
Why are you
like
looking
I
at
don't
me?
do good.
Me. Bus is that I'm with you and you're with me and I love you and you love me.
Well, I will say that it was a very, it's a continuing like issue with, and me and Angelina are literally making me choose. Yeah, it's like me. You're like,
Yes.
you're like, bro, like I'm you. I'm not doing anything wrong. Like,
Damn, really putting your final score. Period. We mop.
Because like I don't know, like I've worked off gratuity before. I mean, it's probably like they probably get paid like dirt, and like they're like the company's like, oh yeah, you'll get tipped, and like no one.
Look at the king. My fault.
Are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging.
So like
Stunned.
it got dark, so it was kind of a little sandy.
Dirty.
Just over here
No,
vlogging
just
nothing.
candy.
Like,
Dude, every conversation, Jeff talking about his hats and saying.
Get a car, and I was like, what do you got? And he was like, I have the perfect car for you. And I was like, dang, you do have the perfect car for me.
was it an Alfa Romeo
Within 10
dealership?
minutes, everything could be in
It
the
was
truck.
Where
Ford.
was it?
10 minutes?
Ford.
Within.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
If
We just dressed it.
He must have thought you were really pretty.
I was talking.
If he recommended you an Alfa Romeo.
It could be
I was like,
Quick.
because I was like, I'm.
or it won't be.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, no,
And then he was
yeah,
like,
it's
I have
paid
perfect
for-
car. And I was
for
like,
construction
let me
company,
see.
like,
And you fell in love with it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, but that.
Do you have
that's-
leather interior on? Yeah, I have
Because
cloth.
construction companies pick up.
And I told my dad that I liked
Off
cloth
the-
better,
that's when they work,
but now I
because
get
they're
the appeal in leather. But
I-
it
That's
sucks like
it's
on your butt.
Yeah,
Just
the only
be a
thing is I
U-Haul
wish
truck
I
and not
had
like
seat
just a
covers
white.
and my work
Because
studded
it's like why are you
jeans.
renting a truck?
And I slid into my seat, and there's a scratch on my seat.
Man, that sucks.
Yeah, it's
Well, that
like
doesn't
not.
matter.
It's
Because
I didn't think it was like that easy to scratch, to be honest.
It'd only be if like there was actually like an issue and like they.
I like mine. Yeah, I don't think that I would ever want like a sedan. Like, but I always said that, but then like I see certain ones, like I like the Toyota Camry, the two-tone Toyota Camry. That one's really nice. And like,
Thank you, sir. Can we get Waffle House sauce? No. Yeah.
Alright, bro.
when we move, are you gonna start like domestic violencing?
Guys, watch this video. Ready?
Yeah.
Well, I'm trying to hit him.
Break his arm in half.
bruh.